When most people think about energy, they think about caffeine. That's why most energy drinks are built around one simple idea: add more stimulants. Drink it, feel energized for a while, and then eventually crash. But that's a very incomplete way of thinking about energy. Real energy is much more complex. Your cells have to convert the food that you eat into ATP, the body's energy currency. Your brain has to recognize that energy is available and provide the motivation and mental focus to put that energy to work. Your body also has to adapt to the physical and mental stress that comes with a busy day. Simply adding more caffeine doesn't address any of these underlying systems. That's where E9 comes in. E9 was designed to support energy from multiple physiological pathways rather than relying on stimulants alone. It starts with high levels of B vitamins, which act as essential cofactors in the metabolic pathways that convert carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into usable cellular energy. Without adequate B vitamins, the body simply can't produce energy efficiently. E9 also contains amino acids that serve as building blocks for proteins and important neurotransmitters. Ingredients like tyrosine help provide the raw materials your body needs to produce chemical messengers involved in motivation, focus, and mental performance. Finally, E9 does include 85 milligrams of naturally sourced caffeine from guarana and yerba mate. That's enough to promote alertness without depending on excessive amounts of caffeine as the primary driver of the product. That's what makes E9 different. Instead of asking, how can we add more stimulants? E9 asks a better question: how can we better support the physiology of energy? By combining B vitamins, amino acids, adaptogens, plant nutrients, and a moderate amount of natural caffeine, E9 supports energy production, mental focus, motivation, and the body's ability to perform under the demands of everyday life.